Welcome to FleetProxy. In this video, we'll show you how to set up your FleetProxy proxies inside 1Browser in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open the 1Browser application. From the main dashboard, click Add to create a new browser profile. Once the profile window appears, enter a name for your profile. Using clear and organized names can make it easier to manage multiple browser profiles in the future. Next, configure any additional profile settings according to your needs. Depending on your workflow, you may want to customize browser preferences, fingerprint settings, or other available options. When you're ready, navigate to the Proxy section. By default, the proxy type will be set to Free Proxy. Change this option to User Proxy, so you can connect using your FleetProxy credentials. Now let's switch over to your FleetProxy dashboard. From the left-hand sidebar, click on Active Proxies. Locate the proxy plan you'd like to use and click Manage. Then select Generator. Inside the generator, you'll be able to customize your proxy configuration. Choose your preferred country, select your rotation settings, and configure sticky sessions if needed. These options allow you to optimize your proxy setup for different use cases and platforms. Once you've finished configuring the settings, select the proxy format as host, port, username, and password. Generate your proxy and copy the complete proxy string. Now return to 1Browser. Paste the proxy details into the appropriate proxy field. After entering the proxy details, verify that the connection is successful. If everything has been configured correctly, your proxy is now ready to use. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need assistance, our support team is always here to help.